Please listen, we are going to recess. We're going into recess right now, okay? We have a security problem outside. Members, please go, stop. We're recessed. Members, please.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Chris Wyatt Reports. This is Chris in Central Pennsylvania reporting on a dangerous era we've entered into with the demonic meltdown of the political left that occurred after the Supreme Court overturned an unconstitutional activist burger decision from 1973 in overturning the illegal, illegitimate, immoral, and shaky at best legal standing of Roe versus Wade. What this does is it returns to the individual states the sovereignty which is theirs according to the 10th Amendment in the Bill of Rights to the U.S. Constitution, promulgated in 1791. Democrats and leftists are in full meltdown and have already begun the lawless insurrection against the rule of law, with Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez screaming outside the U.S. Supreme Court with a bullhorn, demanding the right to terminate someone else's life, as if murder is a right. New York's Governor Hochul has already publicly stated that she will ignore Supreme Court decisions in a lawless act of insurrection. And last night in Arizona, we saw an insurrectionist attack on the very core of our democracy, breaching security. CNN talks about a cascade of consequences from the overturning of Roe versus Wade, and the Washington Post says the Supreme Court ruling is dangerous new ground. Well, in fact, it is dangerous new ground, ladies and gentlemen. There's no doubt about it. The Arizona Senate was evacuated last night after pro-choice rioters and teachers protesting an education funding bill breached building security at the Capitol. Police were forced to fire tear gas from windows in an effort to control the leftist mob. Video screen images from the event show protesters entered the Senate chamber. Now, there was a crazy video from Arizona Senator Michelle Ugenti-Rita, which shows the screaming, baying mob banging on the doors while a security officer warns a senator to hide. Strangely, the Washington Post, the New York Times, the Chicago Sun-Times, and CNN make no mention of this insurrection or assault on our democracy whatsoever in today's leading stories or front pages. Even more strangely, the typically balanced or conservative news sources also fail to mention the Epoch Times, the New York Post, the Washington Times, no mention. Only the Gateway Pundit and Fox News have lead stories on this developing issue. How is it that when 500,000 people gather peacefully with 5 permits issued to seek right of redress as guaranteed under the Constitution, it's somehow an insurrection when there's no weapons, there's no armed forces, there's no taking down of communications, there's no undermining of military bases, there's no territory occupied, but leftist and demonic lunatics can attack the Arizona Senate building over an education bill, and there's no media coverage of it whatsoever. Can there be any doubt that something is going on here? And it's certainly not moral and right. Once again, folks, breaking news from Arizona, where leftists have breached security last night in attacking the Arizona Capitol building during a Senate session, which was taking place over an education bill. And the media is nowhere to be found. Hey, why don't you become a subscriber? Hit the button right down there before all censorship takes down all centrist and conservative voices. Thank you very much. Appreciate your support. Cheers.
Get it treated. We